Hello, everyone. We're continuing to learn the key phrases and vocabulary from episode 3 of The Secret of Us. Just a quick reminder, each video in the series builds on the last, so if you haven't watched the previous episodes yet, definitely check them out first. If you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to hit the like button to support my channel and help it grow. Let's get started.
อะไรของเขาวะอะไรของเขาวะ
Means, what's her problem, or what the heck is she doing? It can express frustration, confusion, or annoyance with someone's actions or behavior.
อะไรอะไร
Means what?
ของ
Of or belonging to. It indicates possession. Here, it implies related to, or about someone.
เขา
He or she, depending on context, it can also mean they. In the sentence, refers to the person being talked about.
วะ
Is an informal and somewhat vulgar particle used at the end of sentences, primarily in casual or heated conversations. It adds emphasis and can convey a sense of annoyance, frustration, or disbelief. In English, it can be likened to adding a coarse or rude tone to a statement, such as saying, "What the heck?" or "Come on," in a frustrated manner. It is often used among close friends or in situations where the speaker is being informal or even impolite. This particle is widely recognized in Thai, but it's important to use it carefully due to its strong tone and potential to offend if used inappropriately.
อะไรของเขาวะอะไรของเขาวะ
เธอเสียฉันไปนานแล้วค่ะเธอเสียฉันไปนานแล้วค่ะ
Means, you lost me a long time ago.
เธอ
Means you.
เสีย
To lose can also mean to spoil or to be damaged in other contexts.
ฉัน
I or me, used by females,
ไป
generally means to go here. It indicates that the action, losing the speaker, has been completed. It gives the sense that the speaker has gone away or is no longer emotionally connected.
นานแล้ว
Adds the meaning of a long time ago, stressing that the event happened in the distant past.
นาน
Long refers to a long period of time.
แล้ว
In this sentence, it means already emphasizes that the action is completed in the past.
เธอเสียฉันไปนานแล้วค่ะเธอเสียฉันไปนานแล้วค่ะเอิญจะรักษาใจพี่หมอเองค่ะเอิญจะรักษาใจพี่หมอเองค่ะ
Means I'm going to heal her heart myself.
จ้ะ
Will indicates a future action.
รักษา
Means to heal or to take care of.
ใจ
Means heart in this sentence.
เอง
Emphasizes that the speaker will do it herself.
เอิญจะรักษาใจพี่หมอเองค่ะเอิญจะรักษาใจพี่หมอเองค่ะ
กระโปรงใหม่สวยไหมคะ นี่ กระโปรงใหม่สวยไหมคะ นี่
means, is the new skirt pretty?
กระโปรง กระโปรง
Skirt.
ใหม่ ใหม่
New.
สวย สวย
Pretty or beautiful.
ไหม ไหม
A question particle used to ask yes-no questions, similar to is it or does it in English.
กระโปรงใหม่สวยไหมคะ นี่ กระโปรงใหม่สวยไหมคะ นี่
เป็นไงบ้างคะคนป่วย เป็นไงบ้างคะคนป่วย
Is asking about the well-being of someone who is sick. It's similar to checking in on someone's health, like asking, how are you feeling, patient, or how's it going, sick person?
เป็น เป็น
It's a verb that is commonly used in Thai to describe the state or condition of something or someone.
ไง ไง
A colloquial and informal word for how. It's a shortened form of,
อย่างไร
which is the formal way to say how.
บ้าง บ้าง
Is a flexible word that can indicate some, any, variety, or even repetition depending on how it's used in a sentence. It helps to make questions softer and more polite, and it also allows speakers to refer to non-specific quantities or instances. Additionally, it implies a variety of possible responses and is often added to a question when multiple answers are expected or when the speaker is inquiring about a general state rather than a specific detail. This nuance makes the conversation more open-ended and inclusive of different aspects or experiences.
คน คน
Person or people.
ป่วย ป่วย
Sick or ill. Together.
คนป่วย คนป่วย
Means patient or sick person.
เป็นไงบ้างคะคนป่วย เป็นไงบ้างคะคนป่วย เอิญหายแล้วค่ะ เอิญหายแล้วค่ะ
Means I have recovered. This implies that the speaker has recovered from an illness or condition.
หาย หาย
Means to recover, to be cured.
แล้ว แล้ว
Means already.
เอิญหายแล้วค่ะ เอิญหายแล้วค่ะ คุณหมอให้กลับบ้านได้เช้านี้เลย คุณหมอให้กลับบ้านได้เช้านี้เลย
Means the doctor allowed me to go home this morning.
คุณ คุณ
You, and also it is a polite title used before names or titles.
หมอ หมอ
Means doctor. Together.
คุณหมอ
Doctor.
ให้ ให้
Means to give or to allow. In this context, it implies that the doctor is giving permission. It can be used in various contexts, such as giving something to someone or allowing someone to do something.
กลับ กลับ
Means to return and
บ้าน บ้าน
means home. Together.
กลับบ้าน
Means to return home.
ได้ ได้
It is used here to indicate the ability or permission to do something, in this case, can or be able to. And also it can serve different grammatical functions depending on the context. We'll also learn about its different uses as we continue through the video.
เช้า เช้า
Means morning and
นี้ นี้
means this. Together.
เช้านี้
Means this morning.
เลย เ เลย
has various uses depending on the context, making it a versatile word in Thai sentences. It is often used at the end of a sentence to emphasize or intensify the statement. In this sentence, it adds emphasis to the permission given by the doctor.
คุณหมอให้กลับบ้านได้เช้านี้เลย คุณหมอให้กลับบ้านได้เช้านี้เลย
หมอไม่ได้ทำอะไรเลย หมอไม่ได้ทำอะไรเลย
means I didn't do anything at all. In this sentence,
ไม่ได้
is used before the verb.
ท
To do, to negate it, meaning did not do. This construction makes the verb past tense, negating an action that did not take place. In this case, it's important to note that
ได้
is an auxiliary verb that can indicate various meanings, such as the ability to do something, an opportunity that has been taken, or, as in this case, to mark past tense when paired with
ไม่ อะไร อะไร
The meaning of it can vary based on the sentence's structure and whether the sentence is affirmative, negative, or a question. In questions, it's used to inquire about something specific, means what. While in negative sentences, it stresses the absence of any action or thing, means anything.
เลย เลย
Is used here to intensify the negation, meaning that absolutely nothing was done by the doctor.
หมอไม่ได้ทำอะไรเลย หมอไม่ได้ทำอะไรเลย
เอิญกลับบ้านก่อนนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ เอิญกลับบ้านก่อนนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ
Means I'm going home first, goodbye.
กลับ กลับ
Means to return, or to go back and
บ้าน
means home. In sentence, together.
กลับบ้าน กลับบ้าน
means to go home or to return home. In this context, it indicates that the speaker is leaving to go back home.
ก่อน ก่อน
Before or first, typically used to indicate that something happens before another event.
สวัสดี สวัสดี
It is the standard Thai greeting that means hello, good morning, and goodbye.
เอิญกลับบ้านก่อนนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ เอิญกลับบ้านก่อนนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ
ดีใจที่ได้เจอตัวจริงนะคะ ดีใจที่ได้เจอตัวจริงนะคะ
Means I am glad to meet you in person.
ดี ดี
This word by itself means good or well.
ใจ ใจ
This word means heart or mind in a figurative sense. When combined,
ดีใจ
literally means good heart or happy heart, which is how Thai people express the feeling of being glad or to be pleased.
ที่ ที่
Means that, which as a conjunction. This word is used to introduce a clause similar to that in English. Here, it connects the happiness with the action of meeting in person.
ได้ ได้
Means to get to or to have the opportunity to as an auxiliary verb. When it is used before the main verb to indicate that the speaker had the opportunity or was able to do something. In this context, it means got to or was able to meet the person.
เจอ เจอ
This verb means to meet.
ตัวจริง ตัวจริง
Means the real person or in person.
ตัว ตัว
Means body.
จริง จริง
means real. Together, they mean the real person or in person, emphasizing that the meeting was face-to-face rather than virtual.
ดีใจที่ได้เจอตัวจริงนะคะ ดีใจที่ได้เจอตัวจริงนะคะ
เจอกันเรื่องอื่นก็ได้นะคะ เจอกันเรื่องอื่นก็ได้นะคะ
means we can meet for other reasons.
เจอกัน เจอกัน
means meet each other or see each other.
เจอ เจอ
To meet.
กัน กัน
Together or each other.
เรื่องอื่น เรื่องอื่น
Other matters or another topic.
เรื่อง เรื่อง
Matter, topic, or issue. It refers to the subject or reason for meeting.
อื่น อื่น
Other or another.
ก็ได้ ก็ได้
Means that's okay or that's possible. It is used to express flexibility or willingness, indicating that the speaker is open to suggestions and ready to go along with a different plan or reason.
เจอกันเรื่องอื่นก็ได้นะคะ เจอกันเรื่องอื่นก็ได้นะคะ
คงไม่มีแล้วล่ะค่ะ คงไม่มีแล้วล่ะค่ะ
Means there won't be one. Or, more literally, probably there isn't anymore.
คง คง
This word is often used to express likelihood or probability, similar to probably or likely in English.
ไม่มี ไม่มี
Means there is not or there isn't. This is a combination of two words.
ไม่
Means not or no.
มี
Means to have or there is.
แล้ว แล้ว
This word is used to indicate that something has already happened or that a situation has changed. It can be translated as already or anymore.
ละ ละ
When used as a particle, it can convey different nuances. For example, it can be used at the end of a statement to add a sense of completion or finality, similar to already in English. It also appears in conversational Thai to imply that an action is imminent or necessary, often adding an imperative or urging tone to the sentence.
คงไม่มีแล้วล่ะค่ะ คงไม่มีแล้วล่ะค่ะ
Thanks for watching. I put a lot of effort into making this video, so if you liked it, a thumbs up would mean the world to me. See you in the next video. Stay safe.